welcome back again to my channel. So if you're watching this video, that means you've already seen this video of how I part my hair. So if you haven't seen it already, I will put the link in the description down below so you can check it out. So this is like a continuation of that video. Here is the crochet braid that we are going to be using for this process. This is color 27 and color 30. They are both 30 inches, and I have 60 braids in each bag, so I have 120 braids in total. So please like this video because I know you really love it. So hit the like button if you're excited to see how I make this hair, and please also subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notification. So this tutorial is just a visual thing, it's self-explanatory. I also have a detailed video of how I crochet hair. I'll also put the link to that video down below for you guys to see. So I'm just going to keep quiet and allow you watch and enjoy this video. is the final look, guys. I totally love the color of this braids. The two colors are just a perfect match, and then the length, it's 30 inches. It's super long and I love it a lot. And this is the end of this video. This video has like a part 1, part 2 and part 3. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always showing love in all my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you haven't already. Share with your friends. This might be helpful to them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.